Subscribe Teaching Guruji channel.
Hi everyone, this is Bhavika. I'm back with another chapter today. Our subject is going to be English for Standard 1 and our chapter is Magic Seed. This is chapter number 4 of Unit 2 in your English textbook. Okay, so let's start. Magic Seed is a poem and it is describing about a seed, how a seed blooms into a huge tree. Okay, let's see. Now the poem goes as: I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and white. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I'm not sure what it is yet, apple, peas or fig. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Okay, so here I can just manage to write 2 stanzas. However, the poem has 3 stanzas, which I'll continue it later. Let's start with the first stanza now. Okay, now this is a beautiful seed that we have planted. The poet has planted. Now he's looking at the seed and describing how it grows. Okay. Now in the first stanza he says, I found a tiny little seed. The poet has found a tiny little seed, okay, and he planted it outside his house. Alright. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and white. So it's not that as soon as you plant the tree it grows, you'll wait and watch that, oh, why not, the plant is growing. So the poet wants to tell that it does not take too long for that seed to grow. So day by day, if you water that seed and if you take care of that seed properly, it will grow tall and white. Okay, that's what this is saying. So first it was a seed, then it bloomed, then it became it sprouted out, then it had some more leaves, and then slowly and steadily it became a huge tree. Alright, let's see what the next stanza says. It sprouted leaves from everywhere. See, it sprouted its leaf from everywhere as soon as the seed was planted, and soon became quite big. And not too long, it did not take too long for that tree to become huge. I'm not sure what it is yet. Okay, now the poet don't know really what kind of tree is that or which tree is it. He says he thinks that whether it's an apple, pea or figs. He's asking to himself whether that tree, is it an apple, is it going to give me peas or is it going to give me figs. Okay, let's see now what the next time. That no matter how it turns out, I know it will be my own completely special something or other tree. So here the poet does not know what kind of tree is he growing. Okay, he just know that he wants to water that seed and he just know that it has sprouted, it is giving him leaves and it has turned into a big tree now. However, the poet is not knowing what kind of tree is it, whether it's an apple tree, whether it's a pea or whether it's figs. So the next stanza says it doesn't really matter for him that whether what kind of tree is it. It's fine for him whether any tree is it. He's just happy watching that tree growing. Okay, because I know it will be my own completely special. He knows that that tree is its own. It does not belong to anyone else apart from him. And that's why it's fine for him whether it's any other tree, whether it's something or other. The poet wants to tell you that he just found a random seed and he just planted it outside his house, and now that seed is into a big tree. Okay, in this way the poet wants you to plant more and more trees in your surroundings so that we can get a green and clean environment. Alright, thank you so much for watching my video. If you have liked it, please click on the thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. If you have any concerns or any questions regarding this poem, do comment down below and also subscribe to my channel. My channel's name is Teach Me Guruji. Thank you so much. Bye.